Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to add or remove or change the banner on your profile section on Bluesky, easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and then go to the three lines up here. Now go to the profile and click on this edit profile up. So as you see here, you will find the icon of the camera here in the bottom of the banner, so click on it, and here you can choose if you want to upload from camera or upload from library, or if you want to remove a banner like this. And that's it. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it. See you in the next video.